Okay, so we're going up to climb Bell Rock. I think it's called that because it looks like a bell. And that is our destination. The tippy top.
Hope I make it.
The redness is caused by the iron oxide, and Bell Rock is one of the rocks that are said to be a vortex, so kind of an energy center. And it's possible that that is connected to the fact that it has a high amount of iron oxide. So people like to come to rocks like this to do meditation and to feel energy and to be healed and things like that. This is one of those parts where you have to just trust the rocks and kind of Spider-Man up the sides. Now again, this is one of those parts where you just have to like scurry up. Yeah, it's magnetic. So you just kind of propel yourself up. And the quicker you go, the better it is. Energy on the vortexes, for me, it's not really like a tingly, energetic sensation that you would expect from like a vortex, but I definitely noticed that I get a lot of energy climbing up the rocks. It's like, it's different from rock climbing anywhere else I've gone. Like something about as soon as you touch the red rocks, I just get like a jolt of energy that like propels me up them. I don't know if it's just because I'm excited to climb or if it's something about like the energy that actually like pulls you on it or makes you like trust the rock. Times like these, I always think to myself, if Alex Honnold can free solo El Capitan, I can climb Bell Rock. Some say that when you see trees that are really twisted like this, it's a sign that that's where there's a lot of energy. I know this is a really morbid thought, but a lot of times when I'm doing stuff like this with the GoPro, I think to myself, even if I died, the footage would be cool because the GoPro would survive. Alright, this is the final stretch. This part's pretty easy. Just scurrying on up. We made it to the top of Bell Rock with this amazing view of Sedona. You can see everything from here. Now we're gonna climb down, go across, and go up to this rock here because there's something there that I want to show you. Where we just were. And over here is the prayer box. So here is the prayer box. And basically this is a little box they put up here where people come to give prayers to the great rock spirits. Alright, so my dad figured out it's not actually locked.
There's a lock on it, but it's just on it.
There's a lock on it to make it look like it's locked, but it's not actually locked.
There they are.
There they are. You can also write in any of these notebooks. But there it is. Interesting lighter choice. There's a pen in there. Oh, there's a coin in here, so it looks like,
Oh, here.
You wanna put yours in?
Somebody's offering that I found on the way.
This is the Canadian coin he found. He wants to put it in here. We actually went on a UFO tour last night, and we looked up in the sky and we saw a bunch with our eyes. And then they also gave us military goggles to use. How many did we see?
How many UFOs? 20 to 30.
Yeah, we saw a lot.
Probably more. As soon as we got there, we started seeing big ones with our bare eyes.
Yeah, and you might be skeptical. You might think they're satellites or airplanes, but the woman we're with, she's really experienced, and there's like a list of things that you rule out to see whether or not it's a UFO. For example, like planes obviously flash, military planes flash in a different way. Satellites go in one direction, whereas UFOs can take like 90-degree angle turns, or they fade out into the portal and then they just disappear. So there's different things you can tell, but we saw a lot of UFOs, so that was pretty cool. It's interesting, there's no one else up here besides me and my dad, so it's pretty nice because it's pretty peaceful and quiet. Any advice for people who are a bit older looking to do some strenuous hikes like this?
Just do it.
Just do it.
Yeah. And find your limit and don't exceed your limit.
All right, now we are beginning the trek down. So thanks for watching my video of climbing Bell Rock. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. I'll see you next time. Bye!